1,000 kilometers west of Ecuador, adrift in the vast Pacific Ocean, lies a volcanic archipelago like no other. The Galápagos Islands, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are a living testament to the power of nature's forces and the intricate dance of life. These islands, never connected to a continent, rose from the ocean depths through volcanic eruptions millions of years ago. The raw, untamed beauty of the Galápagos is captivating. Jagged lava fields meet turquoise waters, while volcanic craters scar the landscape, a reminder of the powerful forces that birthed this archipelago. These islands are a haven for unique flora and fauna, their isolation fostering the development of species found nowhere else on Earth. Giant tortoises lumber across the volcanic plains, their ancient lineage echoing the island's long history. Marine iguanas, descendants of mainland ancestors, bask on sun-baked rocks, their dark forms blending seamlessly with the volcanic landscape. The Galápagos are a testament to the remarkable resilience of life, showcasing evolution's artistry in its most pristine form. These islands offer a unique glimpse into the forces that shape our planet and the delicate balance that sustains life. The Galápagos Islands are a testament to the Earth's fiery heart. Born from volcanic activity along the Nazca Plate, this archipelago is a dynamic environment where molten rock has shaped and continues to shape the landscape. Over millions of years, underwater eruptions gave rise to volcanic peaks that pierced the ocean's surface, forming the islands we see today. These dramatic events left their mark in the form of calderas, lava tubes, and volcanic cones, creating a surreal and awe-inspiring panorama. The different islands, varying in age and geological history, offer a diverse tapestry of habitats. Fernandina and Isabella, the youngest islands, still bear the scars of recent volcanic activity. Their landscapes are dominated by barren lava fields, stark reminders of the raw power that created them. Older islands like Santa Cruz and San Cristobal have had more time to erode and evolve. They boast lush highlands, dense forests, and white sand beaches, showcasing the transformative power of time and the elements. This varied topography has resulted in a remarkable diversity of ecosystems within a relatively small area. From arid lowlands to cloud forests shrouded in mist, the Galápagos provide a glimpse into the incredible adaptability of life. The island's volcanic origins are not just a thing of the past, they are a continuous process. Eruptions continue to shape the landscape, creating new land and altering existing habitats. This ongoing dynamism ensures that the Galápagos remain a living laboratory of evolution, where adaptation and change are the keys to survival. Isolated by vast stretches of ocean, the Galápagos Islands became a cradle of unique life forms. Over millennia, plants and animals carried by wind and ocean currents arrived on these volcanic shores. Faced with unfamiliar environments, they adapted and evolved in isolation, resulting in a remarkable array of endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. The Galápagos giant tortoises, the island's namesake, are iconic examples of this evolutionary marvel. These gentle giants, with lifespans exceeding a century, exhibit remarkable variations in shell shape and size across different islands, each adaptation reflecting the specific environmental pressures of their habitat. Marine iguanas, the only lizard species to forage in the ocean, showcase another extraordinary adaptation. Their dark coloration allows them to absorb heat quickly, while their flattened tails and webbed feet make them adept swimmers. These remarkable creatures graze on algae in the intertidal zone, their salt glands expelling excess salt from their bodies. The blue-footed boobies, with their distinctive bright blue feet, are easily recognizable denizens of the Galápagos. Their comical mating dance, where males proudly display their colorful feet, is a testament to the power of sexual selection in evolution. These masterful divers plunge into the ocean with astonishing speed and agility, their streamlined bodies perfectly adapted for hunting fish. The Galápagos Islands are a living laboratory of evolution, showcasing the power of natural selection to shape life in extraordinary ways. In 1835, a young Charles Darwin arrived at the Galápagos Islands aboard the HMS Beagle. He was captivated by the unique creatures he encountered. The islands, then a remote outpost rarely visited by outsiders, offered a pristine natural laboratory, and Darwin's observations during his 5-week stay would prove revolutionary. He meticulously documented the distinct flora and fauna of the islands, noting the subtle variations in species between different islands. The finches, with their beaks adapted to specific food sources, particularly intrigued him. Darwin realized that although these birds shared a common ancestor, they had evolved different beak shapes to exploit the unique food resources available on each island. This key observation, along with his studies of the Galápagos tortoises and other island inhabitants, laid the foundation for his groundbreaking theory of natural selection. Darwin's time in the Galápagos was a turning point in scientific thought. His theory, meticulously outlined in his seminal work on the origin of species, transformed our understanding of the natural world. The Galápagos Islands, once a remote archipelago, became a symbol of evolution, a place where the forces that shape life are on full display. The Galápagos Islands, once a sanctuary untouched by human influence, now face unprecedented threats. The delicate balance of these unique ecosystems is under siege from invasive species, pollution, and the impacts of climate change. The very isolation that fostered such incredible biodiversity has also made these islands incredibly vulnerable. Introduced species such as goats, rats, and insects pose a significant threat to native wildlife. These invaders compete for resources, prey on native species, and disrupt delicate ecological relationships that have evolved over millennia. Pollution from tourism, fishing, and agricultural runoff contaminates the pristine waters and fragile ecosystems. Plastic waste entangles marine life, while agricultural chemicals disrupt the delicate balance of marine food webs. Climate change amplifies these threats, altering weather patterns, increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme events, and threatening the survival of species adapted to the island's unique conditions. Rising sea levels endanger coastal habitats, while ocean acidification, caused by the absorption of excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, threatens marine life, particularly corals, which form the foundation of many marine ecosystems. The Galápagos Islands, a beacon of evolution and a testament to the power of natural forces, are now at a crossroads. Recognizing the immense ecological value and fragility of the Galápagos Islands, conservationists, scientists, and the Ecuadorian government have rallied to protect this natural wonder. The Galápagos National Park, established in 1959, encompasses 97% of the archipelago's land area, strictly regulating human activities within its boundaries. The Charles Darwin Foundation, a scientific institution dedicated to Galapagos research and conservation, plays a vital role in monitoring ecosystems, studying endemic species, and developing effective conservation strategies. One of the most successful conservation efforts has been the eradication of invasive species from several islands. Goats, particularly destructive grazers, have been removed from several islands, allowing native vegetation to recover and endemic species to thrive. Strict quarantine measures are in place to prevent the introduction of new invasive species. Sustainable tourism initiatives are crucial for minimizing the environmental impact of visitors. The Galápagos National Park limits the number of tourists allowed on each island and designates specific visitor sites. Tourists are educated on the importance of respecting wildlife and leaving no trace of their presence behind. The Galápagos Islands stand as a powerful reminder of our planet's irreplaceable natural heritage. Preserving this fragile paradise for future generations is not just a conservation imperative, but a moral obligation. The lessons learned in the Galápagos about evolution, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of life have global significance. The islands serve as a living laboratory, offering invaluable insights into the impacts of climate change, the importance of biodiversity, and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Ecotourism, when conducted responsibly, can be a powerful tool for conservation. By generating economic benefits that are directly linked to the health of the island's ecosystems, ecotourism provides a strong incentive for conservation. It also fosters a sense of stewardship among visitors, inspiring them to become ambassadors for the Galapagos and advocates for conservation worldwide. The Galapagos Islands are a shared legacy, a testament to the power of nature and a reminder of our responsibility to protect our planet's biodiversity. By supporting conservation efforts, promoting sustainable tourism, and educating future generations about the importance of the Galapagos, we can ensure that these enchanting islands continue to inspire and amaze for generations to come. The Galapagos, a beacon of evolution, resilience, and hope, urge us to become better stewards of our planet, recognizing that the fate of these islands is inextricably linked to our own.